Meaning of double-breasted.
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 Double-breasted. Double-breasted typically refers to a style of jacket or coat that has two parallel columns of buttons on the front, with one column overlapping the other. When the jacket is buttoned up, the overlapping fabric creates a double layer over the chest area. This style of clothing is often associated with formal or professional attire, and can give the wearer a more structured, put-together look. Overall, the double-breasted style adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to any outfit.